So in this question we have given 2.10 and class 12th chapter electric potential and capacitance. We have a 12 picofarad capacitor is connected to a 50 volt battery. How much electrostatic energy is stored in the capacitance? Very easy question. The capacitance or capacitor question is you are going to get like this. It is very simple and very formula based. So you have to just know the formula that electrostatic energy is going to be is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. That is, so first of all write the given that C is equal to 12 picofarad, and in SI unit it is going to be 12, and picofarad is into 10 to the power minus 12 farad, and the capacitor is connected with the voltage source of 50 volt, right? So you have to calculate the electrostatic energy. So we know that E is equal to half C V square, right? So you have to just put the value 1 by 2, that C we have in SI unit you have to put 12, 10 to the power minus 12, and V is 50 square, and by calculating this you are going to get that the value here is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 joule, right? So this is the value we are going to get. So the required value of electrostatic potential is 15 into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 joule. Answer, right? So very easy question, you have to just remember the formula.